Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over Hebeblock. I'm not sure if it's pronounced that way. It's spelled H-E-B-E block. H-E-B-E is the ticker symbol for this token. This token is just about to get a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. Before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So it was just announced on Mexc Global's Twitter about 9 hours ago that this token is going to be listed August 26th, 10 a.m. UTC time on Mexc Global. So today is the 25th, so that is tomorrow. So basically, if you want to buy this token and you don't have an Mexc account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is just go right through that referral code down there for Mexc Global, fund your account with USDT, and on 10 o'clock UTC time tomorrow, you can simply just buy the token in the innovation zone. So it's like in the spot trading zone. Just check that out, and that's where you can get the token. So there is a different link here if you go on to Mexc Global's Twitter, and it has the web page here for this project, and it is Hebeblock.com, and their Telegram is Hebe Office, and their Twitter is @BlockHebe. They also have a Medium, and they also have a white paper. You could find their Medium their Medium at Hebeblock as well. And a Discord as well, and a GitHub. All sorts of social links on here. So, welcome to Hebeblock. Hebe token is not intended to represent securities or any other regulated product in any jurisdiction. So they're just giving a little disclaimer there at the beginning. So what is this token here? What is the Hebe token? Hebe is a revolutionary and community-driven blockchain ecosystem featuring a wallet, DeFi, and NFT technology. What makes Hebe capable of creating value is that it turns Ethereum Classic, ticker symbol ETC, and is the main token of our main project, Hebe Wallet, Hebe Swap, and Hens, H-E-N-S. So how does Hebe work? The total amount of Hebe tokens is fixed at 500 million. ERC20 tokens running on the Ethereum Classic chain here. It says users can participate in community building and participate in community activities to obtain tokens. So the Hebe Swap, Ethereum Classic is familiar and frequently used by most crypto traders and enthusiasts, which led us to build a swap on Ethereum Classic. Hebe Swap is an Ethereum Classic-based protocol designed to facilitate automatic exchange transactions between ETC and ERC20 token digital assets. We also have the Hebe Wallet. Hebe Wallet is a decentralized multi-chain wallet centered on Ethereum Classic, already supporting 100 plus dApp ecosystems and has 47,000 plus users. What is a multi-chain wallet? It's a wallet that supports multiple chain platform tokens, and then it goes through a gigantic list, which I'm not going to go through, of all the tokens it supports. It's like 100 different tokens, and you can find this listed at block. This is the web page, block-hebe.gitbook.io. And yeah, it has an insane amount of tokens there. So what is Hens? Hens is short for Hebe plus Ethereum Classic Name Service. Is a scalable, distributed, and open naming system based on the Ethereum Classic blockchain, mainly serving human readable names. So they've done this. There's another video I just did actually on ENS domains, and Mexc Global also has a token that you could buy called ENS domains that is pegged I forget what it is exactly, but it has to do with the Ethereum name service. So this is the Ethereum Classic name service running on the Ethereum Classic chain. So that's what Hens is. Hens maps human readable names, like it would be, for example, Hebe.etc would be a domain name. So for me, if I got an Ethereum name service one, it would be Logan.ens. So this one is Hebe.etc. So they could do the same thing most likely with any other chain, being like, let's say, what would be another one? So it would be like, say, Veet. It's a weird example. Logan.Veet or something like that, right? But yeah, like you do with anything, with Algo, with any type of chain, right? Logan.Algo. So anyways, Hens maps human readable names like Hebe.etc to machine readable identifiers and is able to read Ethereum Classic addresses, content hashes, and metadata. So the Ethereum name service is very popular actually. So that seems to be taking off. So yeah, let's skip over. That's basically, you can go over way more information on their white paper here if you want to about the stuff I just said, but that's what it is in a nutshell. According to the roadmap here, they started in January 2022 with the Hebe swap being online, open source Hebe token and Hebe swap contract code, completed the sale of the team 7 million Hebe and solved the liquidity pool problem, complete the migration of most Hebe tokens on Hebeblock. Then in February, complete token factory to help Ethereum Classic users issue ERC20 tokens. Completed Hens development. Then February 18th, Hens mainnet went live, so it's already live. Then in March to April, create a Hens trading market to facilitate Hens users to buy and sell domain names. Completed Hebe wallet and to fully support the Ethereum Classic ecosystem. Then in April and August, so far they've completed ETC plugin wallet development, ETC plugin wallet released, and Hebe wallet supporting the new main chain ADA. So it supports Cardano now, so that's cool. So I mean, a lot of projects come out and you see them getting brand new listings like on Mexc Global, all these things, and they have nothing, and they basically just have all these empty promises on a roadmap that they will never complete, or they only complete a couple and then they tank. But this token has completed a lot of stuff already. It has so much stuff within the ecosystem already completed, and it's real good utility. So like everybody loves the, not everybody, but most people love the ENS domains. And so now we got this for Ethereum Classic, and then we also have the wallet, we got the swap, we got so many different things in this ecosystem. So this is like in my opinion, I hardly ever give opinions on here. Usually it's just, because, usually you have no idea what the heck's going on with crypto these days. Everything's a gamble, and there's so many rip-offs these days. But this looks like a really good project, in my opinion, I would say. So yeah, then we got coming up in the future, Hebe wrapped ETC HLP rewards. Then in August to December, we got ETC desktop, Hebe club, and then coming far in the future, we got complete 6,000 ETC flow depth, enable LPs to support Hebe ETC to generate boof swap tokens, and then addressing the Ethereum Classic stablecoin. And then we got token distribution is on here. 25% goes to public sale, 25% development team, 15% foundation, 30% ecosystem, 5% airdrops. And yeah, then we got lots more info on this page if you want to check it all out. It's a governance token as well. You can vote. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.